the A7RV. Thanks Sony for all the cool merch. I really appreciate that. Let's get into testing this beast and yeah, see what it can do. Okay, so follow along. Oh, come on. We'll do it the old-fashioned way then. Thank you, Thorn. This is not a sponsored product. I do not get to keep this camera. The lens is mine. I paid this with my own money. But the reason that we are here, of course, the great grey owl was sitting in the tree just behind my car. Long story short, that's the reason why we are here today. And I'm waiting for a friend of mine, René Ringnes. He is a great photographer as well. And he was pretty excited when I showed him the photos of the great grey owl. So we'll test the A7RV today. I've tested it a little bit home. And let's just say it did not disappoint. I just got a call from my colleague Rune. He was telling me that the great grey owl we saw 1 week ago, exactly almost, is there again. And of course I didn't bring my camera gear, so I had to race home and get it, and I'm on my way back right now as we speak. I'll just cross everything I have, and let's hope we can snap something of it. I need some better recordings of it. So let's just cross everything we have. Det er sjukt at det faktisk sånn. Det har vært det. So Rune is taking a bath in the snow. Okay. It's perfect position here. So let's see if you can see it on the screen. Jeg vil jo se en rett I ansiktet egentlig da. Det ikke for YouTube, måtte jeg på å si. Ja. Hi there. Welcome back a few days later. We saw the great grey owl. That was epic. So let's talk a little bit about the A7RV. Okay, so I've had the pleasure of having the A7RV on loan from Sony for now approx 2 weeks. I have tested it a lot, and it's gonna hurt so bad when I'm returning it to Sony. Or I'm not gonna go in depth of all the tech stuff of this camera. You're gonna see me use it in the field and how it looks when a wildlife photographer are out shooting birds and stuff. I think it's hands down the absolute most ergonomic body I ever have used from Sony. It's well, it's similar to the A7 IV, which we are filming with right now, but it feels a little bit beefier. And with the A7 IV I have the L bracket from Small Rig, and I don't feel like that I need it with the A7RV. I don't think it's bigger, I'm not really sure. I can't, maybe it's a little bit bigger. That's what she said. But yeah, there are some differences to the A7 IV that I really like. And of course, that is the tilt flip out screen. That's hands down the best screen I've ever used. Not only how it handles and that you can use it every way that you need, but the screen and the resolution of the screen is hands down perfect. Coming from the A7 III, this is like a new world. There is one thing with the body I don't like, and I can't really see why it's needed, and I recently learned that's also for the A7R4, and that's the button to change the mode. I can't really understand why, because you can't twist the mode dial when you don't push down the button, and I have missed a few shots because of this. Because I wanted to switch from photo to video. I wanted to film a goshawk in the air, but I missed it because, yeah, you know, the mode dial was locked. So with the 200 to 600 from Sony on the A7RV, you have a, yeah, that is the perfect wildlife combination. And I want to say a huge thank you to the guys over at Sony Nordic. I appreciate this a lot, and I hope this can be the start of something really cool. Yeah, I'm using the Merlin Bird ID app to identify and scout for birds, actually. It's too far away, but at least have it. It's starting to rain now, so let's back up and leave this place. Wallet. Ah.